So today we're going to be talking about notes on the keyboard. Here is a little example of one. We're starting on C, going up D, E, F, G, A, B. But what about these notes up here, the black notes at the top? Now this first black note is a semitone up from our original note of C. And a semitone up from a note is called a sharp. And a semitone down from a note is called a flat. Now you might have heard these before, a sharp or a flat. And a sharp looks like a hashtag. It is not a hashtag, it looks like one, and a flat looks like a little b. Again, it isn't, but that's what it looks like. So we've got C, and then we've got C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, and B. They're all the sharps. And then if we go backwards for the flats, we've got B flat. Now you can see that these flats are on the same notes as the sharps. It just means they've got two names. They're called enharmonic. But where is E sharp or F flat? Now it just so happens, because there isn't a black note in between these white notes, that E is also F flat and F is also E sharp. We don't have to worry too much about that. Not yet. So here is our keyboard. I'm writing out my notes now. C, D, E, F, G, A, B again. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you what they look like on a stave. So I'm imagining that the C we've got there is middle C, and here the notes go. So they go up. It's really similar. Okay, so they're going up stepwise motion. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B. It looks like they're going up step by step, each line and space on the treble clef. This is a bit of a bigger keyboard now, and here is my middle C. Now middle C is generally near the middle of a keyboard. I'm going to write out all of my notes now. So we've got C, D, E, F, G, A, B, exactly as I had before, but now I've got even more. I'm drawing in all these C's. In between these C's, it's called an octave. Each of the different C's an octave different, okay? I'm adding in all of my notes now. And now I'm going to draw them up on a stave, so again you can see. So we've got our middle C, which is second C just so happens on here. And there it is. There's my middle C. And then I'm going to go up, as I have done before, with D, E, F, G, all the way up. So remember that each of these notes that we see will also be written on a stave. You need to make sure that you're playing the right one, because as you can see by this, there are lots of C's, D's, E's, F's, but they're on a different